Welcome to GeorgeWay Math TV.
Okay, so what about 0, 2? This is how you plot it. We know the first number is your x. The second one is your y. So when we come here on the x, we're going to look for 0. So that is 0, right? So stay on the x, which is the 0. Now you're looking for 2 on the y. So at 0, I'm looking for positive 2 on the y. So this is your y. So 1, 2 right here. So that's how you plot that point. What about that one? Let's just do more so you can really know how to do this. So this is 6, 6, right? So again, the first number is your x, second number is your y. So on the x, we're going to look for 6. That is your 6 right here. And then you're going to look for y, 6 on the y. So at 6, positive 6 on the y. So this side is positive, right? So at 6, you're going to go till you get to 6 on the y. And that is somewhere around here. And that will be for that. What about 6, 0? You know the first number again is your x, second one is your y, right? So we're looking for 6 on the x, which is right here. And we're looking for 0 on the y. 0 on the y. This 0 right here is for both x and y. So we started from 6, which was our x, and 0 is this same line. So we're going to put our point right there. And that's it. So that's how you plot points. I know you got this.
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.